How to make a logo with Canva. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build a logo with Canva. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is head on over to canva.com and register with your email address. And once you have registered with your email address, you can even get a 7-day free trial of Canva Pro that can help you in building more customized and more individualized elements as well as logos. Now, to get started with building our logo, you don't need a premium account. You can even do it in a free account. Just simply search in your search bar over here and search for logo, and then you will see multiple different results. Now, you have animated logos as well as plain logos. So we're going to look at plain logo templates. Now, you guys can see you have multiple different filters on top, which include color, features, theme, and style. Now, below that, you will see some of the most popular logos, and you guys can see there are quite a few different types of options available. You have a lot of different unique options, which are super nice and fresh, and I'll show you guys how you can customize these particular templates and start building from scratch as well. Now you guys can see there are so many different logos that fit in any niche. So let's say I want to particularly build maybe a children's clothing store. So if I want to go in that niche, I can click on style and I want to go for a creative style for our logo as well. So you guys can see there are going to be suggestions. Now you can add a particular niche. Let's say I want this to be colorful as well, so I would select that over here, and you can add these filters to get a better idea of what type of templates are available and would be befitting for your particular business. So we have this one over here, which I really like, so I'm going to choose this template over here and click on customize this template. Now once you click on customize this template, you can get started with customization. Now, in the center of this template, there is a butterfly. So if I click on this butterfly, on the top left, the colors of that particular element will appear. If I want to change the color of the background, I can click on the background, and on the top left corner, you will have the background colors. Now from here, you can change the background colors into gradients as well as solid colors. You can even add a background image. Now, if you want to customize your own gradients over here, simply click on the gradient that you want. Now you can pick out any gradient, it's pretty much the same thing. And once you choose your gradient, you're going to see it in your document colors. Now you want to click on that particular document color and you will see your gradient colors as well as style. So you have 4 or 5 basic styles of gradients. You have your side style, which is, one color is appearing from this side, the other here. Then you can have a linear style where one appears from the bottom and the top and they mesh in the center. Then this is the top left corner style. This is the diffuse top left corner. And then this is the central gradient. Now let's say I want to keep a central gradient and I also want to change the colors. Now to change the colors, I can click on the gradient colors on the left over here, and I can choose any colors of my liking. So let's say I want to go in a pink color, and I can choose a very light pink over here. And then for our second color, I can click on that particular color, and I can choose a darker color like this. Now you can pick out any 2 contrasting colors. Usually it's better if you do pick a slightly more contrasting color to get a better color scheme on your template. So let's say I want this to be like this. And I'm going to make this slightly lighter over here. And I'm going to choose 2 colors that have the same level of darkness in them. The gradient doesn't look too overwhelming. Now, once I've added my gradient, I can start customizing the color of our butterfly. So I can click on the butterfly and I can click on each individual color. Now, once I click on the black color, whatever color I want this to be replaced with is the one that I'm going to select. So if I want to replace the black elements in this butterfly with green, I'm going to click on green. Now you guys can see it has been replaced with green. If I want this to be blue, I can click on blue. If I want to replace the pink color, I'm going to first click on the pink color over here. Then I can select the alternate color that I want. Now I'm going to keep the original colors on this particular element just the way they are because I like them like that. But I'm going to click on the text on the top and I'm going to enter my own text. So it might be kids clothing. That might be your business name, or kids, let's say it's called Toy Heaven over here. And once I have completed my design, I can further add more elements simply by clicking on the left corner over here, and you can go into your element section. From here, you can search for any type of element that you are looking for. May it be a particular shape, a item, a particular type of lettering, whatever you want. So let's say I want to search for, maybe instead of a butterfly, I want to add toys. I can search for toys over here and click on graphics. Now you guys can see I have multiple different types of toys as well. Now I can insert any of those particular types of elements instead of our central butterfly logo. Now this is totally up to you, and you can create your own look for your logo in this way. Now let's incorporate a more creative idea. So let's say I have just added a plain background and I want to make this a bit unique. Now, to create something that has a patterned background, you can search for whatever you're looking to build your particular logo about, and you can search for a representative element. So for example, I want to build a logo for a toy shop, for a children's toy shop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for toys over here, and I'm going to go into graphics. And what you're going to do is you can search for toys background or linear art. You can search for that, and you guys can see these types of backgrounds pop up. So these are just some creative backgrounds that are representative of the type of niche you're working in. So you guys can see there are quite a few different options you can pick out from. Let's say I want this one over here, and I'm going to extend this so it fills out the entire section. And then I can go into the element section once more, and I'm going to search for strawberry, and we're going to search for strawberry lettering over here, and you will see this type of lettering. So you guys can use this type of creative lettering to further write your brand name. So let's say our brand name is Kids Toy Store. So I'm going to use K, and then you can click on C all over here, and you're going to add IDS. So now, once I have added all the elements, I'm going to resize them, and you can click on Command and select the items together, Shift and Command. And to make this easier, I'm just going to shift these together, and I'm going to resize them all together. And now I can just place my item however I want them to be. So we're going to place these all over here. And once I do that, I'm going to resize this as well, like so. And then I can further, add the second section. You can use multiple different types of letters. It doesn't have to be strawberry lettering. You can do a lot of other types of lettering simply by going into the element section and searching for lettering. Now, once you decide the type of lettering that you like, so if it's a different type of lettering that you prefer, let's say you like it like this, these squiggly letters, you're going to click on C all over here, and you're going to find the entire lettering collection, or you can just click on View More by the artist, and you're going to be able to access all the lettering styles of that artist and get access to all of the letters of that particular font as well. And in this way, you can build more creative logos rather than just using standardized fonts and styles. So once you have completed building your logo, you're going to click on Share on the top right, and then click on Download over here. Once you click on Download, you can download this as a standard PNG, which is the best. Now, if you also want an alternate version of your logo, which you can upload as your favicon, as well as other social media handles, you can click on the transparent background option to remove the background in an alternate file as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.